A contract does not always have to be a written document signed by two parties. Sometimes, actions speak louder than words. An implied contract is a legal agreement formed by the conduct of the people involved rather than by explicit language. These agreements rely entirely on the actions and circumstances surrounding a transaction to establish that a mutual understanding exists. While there is no signed paper, the law recognizes these arrangements if both parties act as if a valid contract is in place. The main difference is clarity. Express contracts spell everything out, while implied contracts are inferred from what people actually do. You see these most often in service settings, like when a doctor treats you or you order at a restaurant. Remember that even without a signature, your behavior can create a binding promise to pay for goods or services received. Understanding these basics helps you navigate everyday transactions with confidence. Like and subscribe for more finance basics explained.